Alright, so what's up everybody and welcome back to another video on this channel, and today it's time for another street photography session. So this time I used the RF 24-105 f4 to take these images, and I think we already got a couple of great shots. So if you're interested in these kind of videos, definitely write it down in the comments. In this case I can make some more videos like that. And of course it would be great if you click on the subscribe button, because this would help me to grow this channel a little bit. But yeah, now let's get started. So we're back here, just taking a couple of shots of the bridges here. I think that's the best idea for now. So let's see if we can get a bridge on the left. But so far I definitely need to say that we already got a couple of great shots, especially the last bridge shots were really great. So if you're thinking about to buy the RF 24-105, I can highly recommend it. It's great for street photography because you can take these wide angle shots and you get the zoom factor, which is really great. So let's head in this direction. I think the next bridge might be even better. But especially if you can get these shots bridge to bridge, it always looks great. And especially here in these situations. Oh, let's go in the middle here. Let's use this one here. It got a better angle here. So especially if you're here in the streets, just get started, just play around with all kind of angles. And oh, I think this might be a great shot here. But yeah, just play around with all kind of angles and positions. Just take a couple of shots. So we definitely got the random bus shot that I took, and it's better than I expected. So sometimes you just need to be lucky in this case. So just take the shot, you never know. There are a couple of people on the bridge. Boom. That one is so great. So especially here in Hamburg, it's perfect to take these kind of photos because there's so much going on. So just get started. So let's see if we can take a great shot from here. Oh, look at that. Let's go below. Especially if you like to take these random shots that I like to take, just get out there, capture random spots, check out all kind of locations, and then try to get the photo. I mean, look at that. The lighting is so great on these white buildings. That is just beautiful. And if you like to take these street photography photos, I highly recommend to buy a zoom lens like the 70-200 or the 24-105 here. They're perfect. Let's wait a couple of seconds to get the shot. Zoom in. Let's take a photo of this dude here. Man. Okay, so yeah, that's it for today. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you're new, don't forget to smash that subscribe button to stay updated for upcoming videos, and I'll see you in the next video.